to my channel Get Gorgeous. I hope you all are doing good, staying safe, staying hygienic at your place. So my today's video, I'm going to share tips and tricks of how to use a beauty blender or a beauty sponge using foundation or a BB cream. So without any further delay, let's jump onto the video. So friends, what we all need is a bowl filled with water. I have filled it with a normal tap water. You can use it RO water also for your skin. You can use the normal tap water also. Other thing what we need is of course a beauty blender and a BB cream or a foundation, whichever you use for regular basis, for daily basis. This is my BB cream which I'm going to use it today to give you a demo. So before starting, I would like to tell and give you a very important knowledge, and that is that always keep your beauty blenders clean, guys, because it's very important. You have to keep it clean because it may cause any kind of infection to your skin, and we don't want all that. So before using a beauty sponge, always clean your beauty sponge and let it get dried. So now I'm going to tell you how to use a beauty sponge. So taking a bowl, now take this beauty sponge, and before using it, just dip it in the bowl properly and then just squeeze the water. Just squeeze the water. Once the water is squeezed out properly from the sponge, it is ready to use. Now you can use the beauty sponge directly on your face using any kind of BB cream or any foundation, whichever suits you the best. So I'm using a BB cream today to show you how it gives an effect. So I have taken this much amount of the BB cream, and now I'm going to tell you how I use it on a daily basis. The best part is when you use a BB cream using a wetty sponge, how it helps is it actually evenly distributes the foundation all over the face, and it doesn't give that patchy look. And the best part is it stays longer. It's like if your regular beauty cream or your any foundation stays for like 2 hours, and it's going to stay for double the hours, like 2 hours more. So see, as you can see, it blends so nicely. It gives that sheen effect also, and that blending is also super. So this was the video. I hope you like my video. I hope you like the tip and the trick for this beauty blender. So guys, if you like my video, then please like it, share it and subscribe it, and do comment if you like my video. If you have any kinds of tips and tricks on your behalf, then please do share it with me. Until next time, see you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Love you.